This is day number 10 of the Trading Journal. Um, we have no news today, so hopefully everything will be all right. I'm not 100% on what the script will be today. I mean, we've got these highs that are relatively close to each other, but I can't imagine I'll be taking longs. I've got a feeling we're going to be coming down for maybe more of this sell side. Um, there's quite a lot just lingering around this area, whereas the highs, I think we would be at all time. No, we won't. Completely chatting shit. Thank God we're not at all time highs. It's pretty much impossible to trade when it's like that. Let's see if I can. There we go. So yeah, I mean, I'm not overly confident on what's going to happen. I think we might just reject off this fair value gap that we have on both. It seems that we're just filling it, and we might get downside, like sell side pressure. Um, Hopefully, at least. We also have a BPR as well, which is just two fair value gaps overlapping. So I'd imagine so the way that works, it's like double confirmation that we are gonna go down. Do you know what I mean? Mm. I never really know how to mark these out because we have two fair value gaps above each other, and it's like I don't know if I'm meant to do two like that because surely this area is also like orders not getting filled. Do you know what I mean? Like, why not this bit? Um, I don't know. That's enough yapping. But I'll come back when markets open. It opens in like 17 minutes, so I'll keep you informed. I'm going to draw out these like 15-minute draws on liquidity, like mark them out because I don't know. I've I think it's a good way to see which index is lagging. You know, if this one gets taken out first, then I know that the Nasdaq's lagging, or vice versa. So I think it's pretty like through back testing at least. I've noticed that there's always there's always like a 15-minute sweep, like whether it be say that this high here isn't an hourly high, and it's just like a 15-minute high. 9 times out of 10, well, no, I'm not saying 9 times out of 10 they get swept, but 9 times out of 10, if they do get swept, it's a good indicator to see, you know, which index is going where. And I don't know. I think we can see. I don't know what happened last night, or this morning actually at 6 o'clock, but something torrential happened by the looks of it. That's Asian session though, so I don't know. But from the trade yesterday, um, we did end up coming for these highs just quite a bit later on. So I'm gonna draw out my trade that I had yesterday. So this was the trade that I had drawn out yesterday. Um, Now obviously it didn't hit TP, but looking back on the video, like when I'm on my phone and I'm not looking at the chart, it just fucking which was a like this volume came out of nowhere. I want to actually see on the 1 minute what happened. Volume wise. Uh, yeah. So we were just like stagnant. I entered. I think I entered off of here or like here or something. I can't remember. Um, it was something around here, and I think my stops were actually a bit lower, and it was here maybe. But either way, look at that injection of volume on this candle that just rocketed up. Oh no, I entered before this because I got stopped out. I entered like here, and yeah, I don't know. Got stopped out and then it instantly rocketed up, but was like what Yeah, fucking 3 ticks. 3 ticks off of being hitting full TP. Um, but on C-Trader, the TP I had set up, even though I was like, I'll take it when it sweeps on the chart, the TP got hit, so I would have actually, I've gotten the money, and I would have been up, well, I risked 50 quid times 4, I would have been up 200 quid. Up 2%. What can you do, eh? What can you do? But we just tamed and just straight down, and then eventually, at stupid o'clock, like, yeah, fucking 5 o'clock, PM session pretty much, we ended up hitting, but what can you do? Okay, so we've swept this hourly high on ES, but not on Nasdaq. Okay, now we might be taking longs on Nasdaq here if it doesn't, if you get a 3 minute retrace beforehand. But I don't know if that's just part of manipulation or I just got a feeling we're coming down. So I don't really want to be taking longs if we're coming down. Or we might have a repeat of the last few days where Nasdaq will just start sweeping sell side and then ES won't sweep sell side and then I'll kill myself. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Yeah. I don't really have much to comment on it at this moment. Nothing happens, so I'll let you know when something does. Yeah, ES or Nasdaq, sorry, is just shooting down to the point where this 3 minute retrace isn't like I'd get a shit RR. So say I entered there, stops below there, TP there. I mean, yeah, it's a 1 to 1.2, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not overly confident that this is what's going to happen. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to work out lot sizes. Okay, I've entered. Only risked 50%. No, 5%. Sorry, 50%. Um, this is the trade. Let's see what happens. That's the trade. Okay, I've closed 2 lots, and I'm gonna go break even. Let's see if we get to the 50% of this, and then I'll fully close. Might just close at the 25% of this fair value gap, so it would be, yeah, it would be this. If we come above this, there we go. If we come down again, like to this line, I think I'm gonna close, but I'm not 100%. I don't know. I don't want to get too greedy, and then just pay the price. I think if we come out of this fair value gap, I will close. Although I do have faith that we're going to come up to the 50% of the bigger fair value, the BPR. Sorry, I don't know, because there's a good chance that we're gonna we'll bounce off of this. Like we've tapped into it now, we should see bullish pressure out of it. I might move my stops to underneath this fair value gap. So my stops are here, underneath this one. About to get stopped. Boom, stopped out, but we are up. How much? Up £109 on the day. So that was the original trade, but final TP was up here, got stopped out here. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I think that's was a good trade. yeah, I'm pretty pleased about that. I mean, it's nothing special. I only risked 50%, 5%, 0.5% is what I risked. What a retard. But yeah, I might even re-enter. I don't know. This might be it. If it is, then uh, goodbye. But if it's not, then you'll see me again. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I think I've I've done what I needed to do. Um, I would have got stopped out at break even here anyway. Um, there's a good chance we'll come up again and hit full TP, but I'm up 1.09% on the day, so only up. I think I'm up $41 on the week. I'm up 0.4% on the week, which isn't great, but fucking hell, what can you do, eh? What can you do? Um, I don't know why I haven't stuck to the logic I had the other day of just risk 2% no matter what, because there is a thing of just running through fundeds until you fucking pass. But I don't know if that's like teaching bad habits. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. But I don't know. I think it's smart to get into the mindset of if you're not 100% on a trade, well, you probably shouldn't take it, to be honest, if you're not 100% on a trade. But fucking hell, if I can make 1% out of it on a de-risk trade, well, I don't know. I don't know, but it looks like we're gonna hit full TP here. Yeah, I thought I'd add full TP hit, like fucking wicked, and then shot back down. Um, this is why I said I shouldn't go break even, man. Times like these, you don't go break even. Times like these, you do not go break even. You should never do it. This is the one time I've done it in so long, and I fucking paid the price. I don't know. Ah!